Hi, this is Sean with TriState Waterworks. So you're bought a new home and someone told you had an irrigation system. What do you need to know? What do you need to do? Well, we're going to kind of keep it real brief. A couple things. One, inside your house somewhere, hopefully in the garage, is a controller that operates the system. You will have to familiarize yourself with that, and it can be a little intimidating. There's lots of knobs and dials and readouts on how to program and how to work with it. If you look on the inside of the door, typically there's a set of instructions there. It'll tell you everything you need to know. So with the new irrigation system, what's going to probably cost you the most is the water. So over the lifetime of the system, you will spend more money on the water than the actual system cost. And on an ongoing annual basis, the water typically costs more than the maintenance of the system. So therefore, it's really important to have a well-maintained system that's operating efficiently and functioning properly so that you're not wasting water. And there are a lot of different things we can do, upgrades that'll help conserve water. One of the first things we'll do is a spring startup, and you should have that done professionally. There's a lot of things that can go wrong if you don't do it properly, although we do have some owners that are industrious enough and do it on their own with a little bit of training. You'll notice there's a device called a backflow, and that usually is removed in the wintertime in freezing climates. And that device typically gets inspected by the local water municipality. We do the inspections and have to turn in the paperwork to the municipality to make sure the backflow is working properly. You may or may not get an inspection sheet from your water purveyor. If you don't worry about it too much. They will find you and get it to you at the appropriate time. After the spring startup is complete, the next thing you should do is occasionally walk through your system. Good thing to do is grab a cup of coffee on a Saturday morning and turn on your sprinkler system and walk through each zone and look for issues, because sometimes the sprinkler head might get broken by the lawn care company, or a pipe might have been damaged and you might see a wet spot or water bubbling up. So it's good to check those things out every once in a while. Once a month is probably a good idea. And finally, the last thing you have to do in climates where it gets cold, anywhere from northern Georgia, Tennessee, up north, would be winterize it. And that's where we would come out with a large air compressor and blow large volumes of air at low pressure through your system to evacuate all the water out of the pipes so nothing freezes in the wintertime. If you have any questions or need further information, please give us a call, or I've got plenty of videos out there explaining other portions of the sprinkler system. But we're always here to help you if you need us. Thanks a lot.